Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 GMC Savana Limousine Camper, a luxurious camper van designed to take your travel and outdoor adventures to the next level. Let's explore what makes this vehicle special. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is expected to launch by late 2025 or early 2026. GMC has crafted this model for those who want the perfect mix of luxury, space, and cutting-edge technology in a mobile home. The estimated price ranges between $85,000 to $110,000 USD, depending on the options and customizations you choose. This places it in the premium camper van market, offering you a fully equipped luxury experience on wheels. On the outside, the Savana Limo Camper impresses with its extended body in a sleek glossy black finish. It features large tinted windows, custom chrome rims, and advanced LED lighting. The rooftop comes equipped with solar panels, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. Step inside, and you'll find a modern, comfortable interior. There are plush beige leather seats, elegant wooden cabinetry, a mini kitchen with a fridge, and ambient LED lighting that creates a cozy atmosphere at night. Plus, a pop-up rooftop tent provides additional sleeping space. This camper includes a high-tech climate control system to keep you comfortable in any weather. You'll also find USB charging ports, smart lighting controls, and an efficient water management system for convenience on the road. If you want a vehicle that combines luxury, space, durability, and the freedom to explore, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is a top contender in the luxury camper van segment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the latest cars and campers. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.